Welcome to India Yojana. AP YSR Asara Scheme 2020. Depth waiver for women self-help groups. Andhra Pradesh government has launched the self-help groups waiver loan scheme. So this scheme will start on 11th of September 2020. In this depth waiver scheme, the state government will reimburse outstanding loans of SHGs. After the official launch, people would be able to check the status beneficiaries list and scheme aiming to forgive loans. So many women in AP state have incurred massive loans and now would get relief under this scheme. These loans were taken to cope up with expenses towards education, healthcare, elderly care, daily needs and other emergencies. So women will now come out of the vicious cycle of debts where they due to incapability to cope up with the rate of interest. So this scheme will launch on 11th of September. It reimburses all the outstanding loans taken by the women's members of self-help groups belonging to SC, ST, BC and minority communities as on 11th April 2019 in 4 installments. The sum of outstanding loans as on cut-off date was calculated. So the AP YSR Asara scheme will ensure that women was not forced to go back to take loans at higher rates once again. The amount given under this scheme can be used for their future prospectus if they have repaid their loan already. The government will stick to its promise of reimbursing the total outstanding loan. So now comes to the eligibility criteria of the AP Asara scheme. Applicant must be a resident of AP state. Woman must be under SHG's group. The state must be in a possessive of Aadhaar card, the candidate. She must have a mobile number. Loan documents of banks are required. Applicant must belong to SC, ST, BC or minority community. Woman must have take loan before 11th of April 2019. Now moving on to the loan status online, how to check the status. After the official launch of the scheme and its website, people will be able to check their AP YSR Asara scheme loan status online. Women will be benefited to get a great extent and thus the entire family would be benefited. So now comes to the list of documents required for a YSR Asara Pathakam. The first one is the address proof, income certificate, SHG, loan details, cash certificate, photography, bank account number and the phone number. Now moving on to the official website. So it is expected that the portal link will be updated at navakasam.ap.government.in website, the official website. So how to apply for this AP Asara scheme? As of now, there is no specific procedure defined. But you can check out the official portal. At the official website's homepage, people can make registration and submit complete details in application form to avail the benefits of this scheme. Moving on to the helpline number. So it has been the toll-free contact number has been launched, so people can visit the helpline numbers for any more details regarding the scheme. So this is the official website where you can see the update of the particular scheme. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.